Today we're just going to do a quick install on the Darwins grip. Be sure that you have everything in the package. It's not something that you got to overthink. It's really easy to install. And you only want to hand tighten this. There's no use in using any power tools or using too much torque. There's no use in using any power tools. There's no use in using any power tools. There's no use in using any power tools. Power tools. Hey guys, Randy here. Today I'm going to show you how not to install a Darwins grip. And you know the problem with us, man, we like to use power tools a little too much.
Will you change the laundry, please?
See guys, you don't always need power tools, but sometimes you do. And now that I have this ground down to where I can install it in this drill, let me show you why you don't need power tools to install this. So now we're going to put the Darwins grip on a rake and turn it into a power rake. That's why you don't use power tools. So when installing these guys, you don't need power tools. Just get them hand tight.